Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're gonna look at the CRAFTSMAN 20-volt electric snow shovel. So let's take a look. So this package, this is just the tool only. You'll have to purchase the 20-volt battery separate, or if you have some of the tools, you can use that. This has a max cleaning width of 10 inches and a 20-foot max throw. Looking at the specs closer here on the back, again, it's a 20-volt max battery, 1750 RPM, 10-inch cleaning width, 6-inch depth, and 20-foot throwing distance. Runtime is about 20 minutes with a 4-amp-hour battery, and the tool only without the battery, it weighs about 11 pounds. And then the snow guide, the angle is 60 degrees. So opening it up, you can see there's some minimal assembly required. It comes with the user manual, and then basically to assemble it, you just have to attach the poles together and then tighten down the knobs. So I'm gonna remove it from the box and then show it when it's all assembled. All right, so I have the snow shovel assembled. I'm about 5'10", and you can see, you know, the length of the pole here. As far as the assembly process, basically you just have to attach the poles, and then you have holes on the side here where you insert the screw and then tighten the knobs. Once you have the knobs tightened, you just attach the handle. You can adjust the height accordingly and then tighten it in place. On the top you have the trigger here. There's a safety, so you want to push the safety in and then press down, and that will activate the snow shovel. On the top, you have the battery compartment. So this is where your 20-volt battery will go in. And then looking at the shovel itself, you have a knob here to turn the direction of the throw. And then you can see the blade. All right, so that's a look at the CRAFTSMAN 20-volt, 10-inch electric snow shovel. Again, this is the bare tool only, so you would have to purchase the battery separate. Easy to assemble. It just took a few minutes. We'll just wait for the snowfall and test it out.